Hello and welcome to this tutorial in which we're going to take a look at the number quiz type from Drive Quiz Builder. This quiz type can be built if you want to create a quiz at the end of which the visitor or user gets a numeric score at the end of the quiz. So based on the way they respond to the questions, the score will be a sum of the points of each of their answers. So let's go ahead and quickly create a numeric quiz. So first of all, here I am in the Drive Quiz Builder dashboard. I'm going to click on the plus sign here to add a new quiz, and I'm going to build it from scratch. And then I have entered the name of the quiz in this field, and I'm going to click on continue. So the first thing we're going to have to set up is the quiz type, and I'm going to click on change type here, and of course choose the number quiz type here. Then I will click on continue. And here you will be able to choose a few settings for the quiz. So if you want to display feedback on the questions, and you can see the preview here, this is what it will look like. You can choose to display it for a number of seconds, and you can change this number from here, or you can choose to show the feedback until the user presses the next button. So if you choose this option, the feedback will not disappear until the user clicks on this button. You also have the option to not display any feedback, and if you want that one, you can click on this radio button here, and when you've finished setting up this part, you can click on save. Next, you will have to choose the quiz style, and if you click on this option, a pop-up will open with the available styles of the quiz. Let's go for this one, for example, and click on choose style. As you do that, a few more steps will appear here, so we are now able to define the questions and answers of the quiz, and then lastly choose what happens when someone finishes the quiz. And you can go first sending them to the results page where they will get the result, or redirect them to a certain page using the URL redirect option. Optionally, you can also add an opt-in gate so that users will have to leave their email and names before getting their results, and so on. You can really customize the quiz as you wish. For now, I'm going to click on Manage here to go to the Questions section. So as you can see, the Drive Quiz Builder workspace open, and from this section we can start adding questions. Of course, you can choose which type of question you want to add. I'm going to go for the multiple choice with buttons question type, and here I want to show you that for each question you will be able to add multiple answers and choose how many points each of the answers represents. So you can input the question here, and then you will be able to create multiple answers. So then for each answer, you are able to choose the number of points it represents. So you can go for zeros and ones, or you can go for any numerical values that you want. So for example, the right answer can be 1000 points, and then the other ones can be 0 or 1 or whatever you wish. And then you can also go for negative points, and if the users choose the answers with negative points, these points will be subtracted from the total number of points they achieved throughout the quiz. So basically you can create your own system and enter the points as you wish here. Then of course click on save and go ahead and add the rest of the questions. Once you finish setting up your quiz, you can click on save and exit right here to go back to the Quiz Builder dashboard, and then you can choose what happens when someone finishes the quiz. And I do want the users to be sent to the results page so that they can see the score. You can also click on manage here and click on this edit pencil icon to access the Drive editor and customize this results page if you want to do so. So you can customize the existing elements, or you can add new ones and remove the existing ones as you wish. Once you're finished here, you can click on save work and then go back to the quiz dashboard. Once you have finished setting up the quiz, you can either copy this shortcode here and insert it on one of your pages, or you can launch Drive Architect on your page or post and simply add the quiz element from the element list. So as you can see here, I have opened one of my pages in Drive Architect, and I can click on this plus sign, look for the quiz element, and simply drag and drop it on my page like so. Then you will have to select your quiz. I'm going to select the quiz that I've just created and click on save work. Now when someone takes the quiz and they finish, they will be given the final result, which is going to be a numeric score. So this is going to be a sum of all the points of the answers that they have chosen. Now this is how to create a numeric quiz type, and please check out the rest of the tutorials that we have created to see how you can create other types of quizzes using Thrive Quiz Builder.